Consider Christ, that he could trust his Father in the Garden of Gethsemane. Though full of dread and fearful of the anguish, he drank the cup that was reserved for me.
My Lord and God, you are so rich in mercy. Mere words alone
Are not sufficient thanks.
So take my life, transform, renew, and change me, that I might be a living sacrifice. Consider Christ, for death he has defeated, and he arose, appeared for all to see. And now he sits at God's right hand in heaven, where he prepares a resting place for me. My Lord and God, you are so rich in mercy. Mere words alone are not sufficient thanks. So